Do your product photos look like this, but you want them to look like this? Well, this one was taken in my DIY light box, and I'm going to show you how to make your own for less than $10. It's so easy to make, and it definitely beats having to buy an expensive one from Amazon. And just so you guys know, I'm currently running a $50 Amazon gift card giveaway, and it is going to be coming to a close on November 10th. So to enter, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below one thing that you learned from this video. I did mention this giveaway in a couple other videos, so I'll link those down below if you want a few extra entries. Okay, now let's get into the tutorial. Okay, let's go over the supplies that you're going to need. And by the way, I am going to put a list on the screen so you can go ahead and screenshot that instead of writing it down. So first things first, you're going to need a box. I'm using a medium-sized Home Depot one just because I had it already at my house. This box is $2.45 Canadian. And yes, sorry, my shopping clips are in Canadian dollars, which is approximately 30% more than US dollars. Or you can use a box that you have just lying around your house, or when I was at Walmart, I also saw that they had boxes for $1.77. Next, you need a box cutter or scissors, tape, 2 to 3 light bulbs, and you're going to get the daylight kind, aka they're also called 5000 Kelvin. These are a cooler temperature compared to your standard warm light bulbs. You're also going to need 2 to 3 lamps. Hopefully you have a couple of these in your house already, but if you don't, Walmart does have them for a decent price. A white poster board, or you can get the color of your choice, or you can do black for white products, or you can do green for a green screen effect. A shower curtain liner, or interfacing fabric instead, and a straight edge if you want. Okay, let's get to cutting. We're going to cut out 2 holes like this on either side of the box. The bigger the cutout, the more light you're going to be letting in. This is optional, but if you have a square edge, great. If you don't, also great. Your cuts don't have to be perfect, so you can just freehand it. Save this cardboard piece for later, as we're going to use it to measure how big we need to cut our shower curtain to use it as a light diffuser. The next cutout is the hole you're going to take your photo through. So you can really cut it to the size of your choice. Now go ahead and tape up the bottom of your box. Next, we're going to cut our shower curtain to make a light diffuser. So grab one of the discarded cardboard pieces from step 1 and use it as a guide. Mark out on the shower curtain where you want to cut. I marked larger than the cardboard cutout, so there's excess material for me to tape onto the box. I also folded the shower curtain in half before cutting it to make 2 identical pieces, one for each side. And I just taped it to one side of the box for now because I realized I should probably insert the poster board backdrop next. Lay out your poster board and place your light box on top. Mark the edge of the light box and cut straight down. Place inside your box, and now you can tape up the second shower curtain piece on the other side. Now it's time to set up the lighting. This part is optional, but I decided to open up the top of the box to add in some extra light. Grab a couple of lamps and screw in your 5000 Kelvin light bulbs. I used my wall sconces and propped them up. Alexa, turn on the lights. And look at that, look at how bright it is. I have to turn down the exposure on my camera so you can see what's happening. By the way guys, don't leave your lamps on and unattended when they're set up close to the shower curtain, just in case your bulbs get hot enough to cause a situation. Now go ahead and snap your photos. Now, a very important step in this process, in my opinion, is to edit your photos. I'm using the app Adobe Lightroom on my phone to edit my photo. So this app is free, but just to let you know, I am going to use a tool that's only available in the subscription to make the background pure white. But with that being said, you are able to activate the 7-day free trial, or you might be able to just get away with turning up the whites to achieve the same effect. Here's the before and after, and honestly, I think the results look studio quality. So the tool I'm talking about is the masking tool, and I'm going to use it to select the subject. It selected it in red, and I'm going to invert the selection. Now that just the background is selected, I'm going to bump up the exposure until the background is pure white. Now the rest of the features I'm going to use are part of the free app. Next, I'm just going to play around with the shadows, whites, blacks, etc. until I like how it looks. Bump up the vibrance and saturation a bit, but not too much. And then I'm adjusting the temp and tint until the color looks like the real thing. And let's add some sharpness. Now let's crop it because I got some of the cardboard box in the photo. And voila, here's the before and after. Now that you have your beautiful listing photos, I recommend that you watch this video next, which is on writing a listing that actually converts. Thank you so much for watching. Please give the video a like if you found it helpful so it can spread to and help more people. And don't forget to subscribe for more e-commerce videos from me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!